Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about RAPD, the quality of DNA obtained by the various protocol and the subjected to the various storage condition can be judged by comparing to the PCR amplification profile. The most commonly technique used that can be accessed by the almost every most of the laboratory, which is RAPD, which is full form is random amplified polymorphic DNA, is a PCR based technique for the identify genetic variations. It involves the use of the single attributary primer is a PCR reaction resulting in the amplification of many different DNA products. The techniques was developed independently by two different laboratories and called as a RAPD and the AP-PCR respectively. The procedure detects nucleotide sequence polymorphism in the DNA amplification based assay using only a single primer of the arbitrary nucleotide sequences. In this reaction, a single species of the primer binds to the genomic DNA and two different sites on the opposite strands of the DNA templates. If these priming sites are within an amplifiable distance of the each other, discrete DNA product is produced through thermophilic amplification, and the polymorphism between individual result from the sequence difference in the one or both of the primer binding sites and are visible as the presence of the absence of the particular RAPD bands such as polymorphism but behave and the dominant genetic markers. And the principle of the RAPD technique is based on the polymorphism PCR, polymerase chain reaction. A target DNA sequence is exponential amplified with the help of the attributary primers, which is thermostable. DNA polymerase, dideoxynucleotide triphosphate, magnesium, and the reaction buffer. The reactions involve repeated cycle, each consisting of the denaturation, a primer annealing, and a elongation step. In the step, the DNA is most single-stranded by the raising the temperature 94 degrees Celsius for the denaturation. In the second step, lowering of the temperature to the about 40 to 65 resulting the annealing of the primer to their target sequence of the template DNA is the third cycle. Temperature is the chosen where the activity of the thermostable tag DNA polymerase is optimal up to usually 72 degrees Celsius. The polymerase is now extended to the 3 and 2 DNA primer hybridized towards to the other binding sites. Primer binding sites. And since this happened at the both primer annealing sites or both the DNA strands, the target fragment is the completely replicated. Repeating these three steps cycle for 40 to 50 times resulting in the exponential amplification of the target between 5 ends to 2 primer binding sites. Amplification products are separated by the gel electrophoresis and the visualized by the ethidium bromide staining. The most crucial factors that need to be optimized is the RAPD reaction are the maximum magnesium concentrate, enzyme concentration, DNA concentration, and the annealing temperature of the primer. The GC content of the primer should be annealing temperature of the PCR cycle is the generally 3 to 5 degrees Celsius below the melting points. And the material and regions required for the RAPD is the PCR machine and the gel electrophoresis tank, gel mold and the slot former, UV transluminator camera and auto pipette and the vortex. Regions which is required tag DNA polymerase, genomic DNA, DNTP mix, MgCl2 buffer for the DNA polymerase, 10 oligonucleotides, primers, distilled water, electrophoresis, agarose, ethidium bromide, and the buffer, and the DNA length marker and the loading buffer. After that, prepare the master mix for the all sample and the control that contain of all the above components except the DNA. Throw the all component completely and vortex the MgCl2 vigorously. Vortex the master mix to the mix all component before. After that, the PCR tubes and the add templates DNA mix properly. Place the PCR plate carrying the reaction tubes in the sample block of the thermocycler. Carry out the initial denaturation steps at the 94 degrees Celsius for the 4 minutes, followed by the 14 cycles with the following cycles parameter, which is step 1 94 degrees Celsius for the 1 minute, in a step 2 35 degrees Celsius for 1 minute, and in a step 3 72 degrees Celsius for the 2 minute. Extended the 72 degrees Celsius step of the final cycle by 5 minutes, where the amplification has finished at 3 ml of the loading type to each sample. Prepare a 1.2 degree agarose gel in a 0.5x TB buffer containing ethylene bromide. Visualize the gel and the in a UV transilluminator, and if required, gel can be photographed using the Polaroid film and analyzed further. So this is all about the RAPD. Thank you.